I'm Adam Gilmore, application scientist for Horiba Scientific, and I'd like to welcome you to today's tips and tricks videos for fluorescence spectroscopy. Today we're going to be learning how to use the Horiba Multi-Model Predictor tool to easily upload and analyze data from the Aqualog A-TEEM and Eigenvector Solo. Now, if you wanted to do this process with Solo, you would need to upload each individual multi-block model and then organize the multi-block data for each data set you want to analyze, and this would have to be done one chemical at a time. Because we wanted to expedite the procedure, Horiba created an add-on for Solo called the HMMP tool, in which you can have all the models uploaded into a method file and apply all models instantaneously. You can also apply the models as a batch of data and even parse down to individual file levels. I'm Adam Gilmore. This has been Tips and Tricks for Fluorescence Spectroscopy, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching.